Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. Hi. What a day. What a week. And, yep, Liquidity Hunter here, guys. Sharing you trades using liquidity and at the same time events that you can participate. It already started yesterday, I think. But yeah, it's a 30-day, 31-day countdown. You can still join this uh, competition under my link. At the same time, there's a problem if you join another competition, for example, in here in different events, for example, Speeds a Day Trading Bash. There's a bug that you cannot register on this competition, but I'm asking the team to fix this one because yeah, it's not a global event. This competition, it's just the community event for Liquidity Hunter community. Okay, so yeah. So before I start, I think I really need to funnel you up on how to register on this one. If you wanna join the competition, you really need to be under my link, which is, wait a minute, kaping mainit, which is you should be registered under this link, 5U and UI. Basically, wait, I'm gonna log out my account first. Yep. Using this link, so you can see here the 5U and UI, you can copy paste this in the URL tab, then you can just hit enter, then click sign up. After clicking sign up, you should see that referral code is 5U and UI, and instantly you will receive a 50% futures fee discount. Basically, this is a trading fee rebate, 50% for lifetime. Okay. Yep. And you can register through email or phone number. Then after you register from that, you will be able to join competition. What competition? This competition. Okay. Yep. I think I need to go back to my account right now. Wait a minute. Just signing up my account. Log in. Uh, okay. Last week we are up at almost $16 if I'm not mistaken, but in that trade I'm still holding it right now, and as you can see, the price goes back, so that's why my current profit right now is sitting at $17. This trade is what I am talking to. I'm still holding this position. Yep, this one. Although the projection can go back to, I mean the short projection or the counter projection for this one is can go back to my almost at my entry price, but yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade. Okay, because to give you a little story, I have this event this past days. That's why I was not able to analyze everything about JCT. Then I just saw that it creates a 1-day CRT, and yep, it's now going to the price projection for the standard deviation aligned with that 1-day CRT. You can see here CISD and the projection. It lines with this liquidity, this equal lows, and can touch on this FBG or this order block. Yeah, hoping this will retrace so that I can out my trade and short for a while. then re-entry going long once again. I thought, I really thought yesterday that it will close daily OB because the price reached here. Then I think yesterday there are a manipulation happening and it dumps heavily. But it's a Monday movement. Sometimes it's a fake movement, but sometimes it's a true movement also. But yeah, it depends. But I hope this price would hold. Well, if you will if you will break down the liquidity inside this range and find liquidities there, there are no resting liquidity right here. You'll see this one, or this liquidity can be the liquidity for this dump maybe, but I do think it's not gonna hold. It will retrace all the way down because in the structure from this point and this market structure shift, basically the swing points is here and here, so you are trading from here to here, and the discount zone is where this one. So basically price can retrace at this zone, can be at the golden zone of the Fibonacci tool, or can go lower than the golden zone. Month of May is almost done. Market will print new monthly candles soon. Yeah, 4 days remaining. I mean it's 31, 5 days remaining for month of May. And as you can see at JCT, it's quite high, but it sweeps the liquidity at the top, but it's still in the range. If you are a range trader, wait, let's check 3-month candle. There you go. There was a 3-month CRT. This can still be liquidity can still go here. I mean that's a 3-month CRT, right? Because in your monthly, it's still in the consolidate. I mean in the range zone. This may not be a true movement or true monthly CRT confirmation because it's still in the range. But yeah, I do hope that the 3-month CRT long bias will still play out, because this liquidity up here is not yet taken. Can be a retracement. Yep, there can be a retracement after we print the next month candle, then go up to get these liquidities. But yeah, let's hope for the best. Right, that's my analysis for this coin for JCT. And the one that I have too is the Prom. I'm still holding this trade. Yep. For me, Prom has can go higher to this up to this point because this candle engulfs this 2 candle, and this shows a bullish momentum in monthly candle, while in weekly candle the price already retraces from at the bottom. I mean it's in the discount zone. Maybe my position can be stopped out because it's still consolidating, but yeah, I'm still holding the limit order at here. Or maybe we can check this trade if I will be stopped out. Okay, these 2 coin I'm still holding, this one, and yep, I think that's all for my hold position that I hold. Every position that I hold. Let's analyze what's happening in the market. Honestly, I have this analysis for this movement, but you know, I get so busy for the past days. That's why I was not able to have a position on this trade. We analyzed this on another community that all of this liquidity will be taken out from here to here and here. So basically there's a three relative lows sitting right here, and this one is liquidity too, and this order block might hold because it's not mitigated, and at the same time there are a lot of weak liquidities that it was taken out. 1 2 3 4 liquidities right there. That's a huge volume for me. I mean, that's a huge stop loss sitting right there. That's why market can move really high, and it retraces at 50% of that order block. As you can see, price uh, pumps, but we can expect that Bitcoin will trade on this range. Why? Because there's an MSS or market structure shift already, and there's a breakup structure here. What I wanna see is this to happen. There we go. Price can retrace all the way here. This will be his liquidity, and will retrace all the way here, the order block. Or if I get stopped out here, this will be the liquidity, and this order block will hold. And take profit area is at here, almost at 80,000 per share of Bitcoin. Yeah, that's my analysis for Bitcoin right now. And for Ethereum, yep, there's a market structure shift also, and there's no break of structure or continuation of flow. And at the same time, I think this is an SMT with Bitcoin. There you go. There's an SMT between Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why it's retracing. This liquidity cannot hold. I mean, this order block will not hold. Why? Because if you look at Bitcoin, I mean, there's a probability that it will hold, but most of the time, if there's no liquidity for this order block, this will become a liquidity too. $30. Yep, this can retrace all the way down here, or this might hold. This is a swing point too, although this is not I mean, the bigger picture swing point. This can hold. That's for Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think we should find trades right now. Let's see if we can find trades right now. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, Tuesday. Good morning to everyone. Still holding these trades, these two trades. Let's check these two first. Oh, this one is very bearish. You see, there's an order block that was mitigated by this monthly candle. This can be a move to the downward for prompt. Maybe we still have 6 days. Can still recover. The price can still recover all the way up here. But in a weekly time frame, let's analyze. Yep, price is being rejected at this level. Clearly say that. Although there's a market structure shift happens right here, I am not convinced that this will play out. The long will play out. That's why if I'm gonna long this one, because it's in the bottom, we can still go long, right? We can get all these liquidities right here and use this order block as our point of I mean, the price should hold this, because if the price goes all the way down here, then the probability of this price to go much lower or at all-time low, print new all-time low, is so high. That's why this order block should hold, and all of these relative lows you can see. Or wait a minute, this one wait, this one, this liquidity is right here, sitting right here. Yeah, this should hold. I'm not gonna risk this trade, just sweeping this liquidity, then this order block will hold. Why? Because of this monthly and weekly candle. That's why I'm not gonna risk there. I will only risk if price retraces all the way down here. That's my play for prompt. Okay. But yeah, you can trade it using that concept, or you can trade it whenever the price reaches this one and shows confirmation for the long position. You can go per long, but if there's no confirmation, you can be a bit hesitant to play. I mean, to enter in a position. Alo, yeah, still on this play. Liquidity is not yet swept by this coin. I mean, this thing should really hold. This liquidity should be taken for this price should have a reason to go up. TRX at all-time high. We have been visiting this coin for almost a week last time, and we shorted this one and get stopped out. But yeah, our projection is that this equal highs will be taken out in the coming days, and right now, as you can see, yesterday this highs was already taken out. Okay, can still go at all-time high, but let's wait for a daily candle to sweep this one and look for a confirmation in a 15 minutes time frame if we can have an divergence, and at the same time an FBG that will be turned into IFBG. If there's none, then there's a huge probability that this trade will go all the way on the all-time high for 3RX. Yes, because in weekly there is no liquidity right here, but in the daily there can be a rejection block right here, and can retrace all the way down. Oh, if you're a premier of this current guy, price should retrace all the way down here. This price, I think this is a 618 area. I mean the golden zone area. Wait, yep, this is still at the golden zone area. Let's see if TRX will do that price movement. I believe so. 4 hours as CRT. Oh wait, then it sets its own CISD. Price retraces. I no, there's no CISD yet. Sorry. CISD as it's del at wait. Sorry. CISD is at this price range. This one really fuck. See, this should be a CISD, but price reaches that high again. Visits that high again. Let's see. Neil. Yeah, we canceled this position. We was front run by this trade, then we canceled this position. Ayan, going high. Oh, yeah, I think price revisits this zone. Let's check if I think this movement is done already. If this price retraces down, this will be our trading zone for me. This will be our trading zone because this is a major swing point. This one to this one, this one to this one. This is a major swing point at 1 hour time frame. Let's see how the price will go. Wait a minute. There's no fair value gap in the daily time frame, but in 4 hours there's a mitigated fair value gap here and unmitigated fair value gap. This is an implied. No. I forgot the term, but this is really support level right here. Let's find out if price will hold this FBG right here. All the way down here. We can make the price sweep all this liquidity, then use this swing point to cover to have our stop loss. This one. So I think we can short this from this high to this low, right? But let's find out first. Confirmation is not there yet. Yep. For our time frame and daily time frame, there's no confirmation yet. This price should engulf this if we wanna see price go lower. But if it sweep first the high of the daily, then that's more good. ENJ price tracing. Price can go lower down here. So let's find some coins using the RSI Hitmo. There you go. We can use this overbought because price is so high and our analyzation in Bitcoin is it will retrace us all the way down here, right? So we can find a short position and also find where the long position can bounce near WLDTRX here. Let's use LBank. One is so high, right? Equal highs. This can still go higher. I mean, no, there's a very big movement right here, guys. Can reach up to here, to this point, yeah. Then price might have a trace. Price can retrace from this point. Let's find out. There's also an order block sitting right here, unmitigated. Yeah, let's find another coin. No confirmation yet. WLD. Oh. I thought it will sweep this. No. How did I analyze this trade? Oh, this one. Sweeping this liquidity first. I know. Price did not reach the price reversal, the PRZ. Yup. Price did not reach the PRZ when it retraces all the way from here to here. It swept this liquidity. Our analyzation is good. We have swept this liquidity, but then again, price made a reaction right here, not even retracing at our point of interest, the fair value gap sitting right here. But yeah, this is one that I told you earlier. This fair value gap here with this handle right here, a wick. This is so strong. This kind of support is so strong. But yeah. Yeah. I should have saw this when I am analyzing this trade. find another coin. Grass. Daily. Equal highs. Yep. Price can reach up to this point. I think what can we do is to find continuation, right? Continuation entry. So these are breakaway structure here. Price can go all the way 0.8 per share of this coin. And where do we enter? Enter now. Joke now. Let's find liquidities for hours first. There's an order block right here, and it's in the discount zone. There's also a fair value gap right here. 1 hour time frame. CISD is up here. Discount zone is up here. So basically what I want to see is price retrace all the way down here. Let's find out what the price will do. 15 minutes time frame. Yup. I think this will hold. Wait. Let's go all the way to 5 minutes. I think the liquidity will be this one. If I get stopped out, but the stop loss should be at here, sitting at here. But yeah, in 1 hour time frame, there is no liquidity right here. There's no swing point, valid swing point. Price can go like this, and then when it traces down, it will hit this order block, then go up. This is what I want to see for this coin. There's no liquidity right here. There should be a liquidity for us to be able to say that this order block will hold. This unmitigated. This is an unmitigated order block, and there's also an IFBG and fair value gap right here that is not unmitigated. That is not mitigated too. Yeah, this is what I want to see, the price, before I trade this coin. But shorting this position, let's find out. There's a 1 hour CRT formation, but there is no confirmation yet. CISD is not yet reached. Yeah. Still waiting. Wait, I'm gonna use the bot, Spidey bot, the Creus bot. So bearish setups, Fox. Bearish setup. I think no, this is a bullish setup, right? MSS already. Yeah, this is a valid MSS. Wait. Yep, that's a valid market structure shift right there. Week, month, weekly. So I just trace all the way here. So my analyzation here is we can go long, we can find longs in the daily time frame, maybe. Yep. And use this liquidity for this trade. But let's see if there's an order block sitting right here in 1 hour or in 30 minutes. This is another. Oh. This can hold, honestly. This should hold, I said. Then let's check first if this is in a Yup, this should hold. We can risk a little bit here, like this one. Oh, 100 RR. That's so good. You'll see. I might risk on this trade because this one is good for me. But I wanna see a break of structure first. For real. Wanna see a break of structure first. But it's worth the risk. For this trade, it's worth the risk. There's an FBG and there's this thing once again. An FBG with this week. This is so huge. This is so you can say that this is a clear support in this area. You can see price touching this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 touches right here. This is a flip resistance. I mean, yeah, flip resistance right here. Then it will act as support right now. So let's have a trade on this one. 100 RR is enough. Yep. Arya. Arya is at all-time low right now. So hard to trade this coin. But if we gonna look for on how much price it can go farther. Wait a minute. I think I saw now. Yo. Yo. I don't want to trade this coin. Dumps heavily. Robocup. MSS not reached yet. For me, this will be the valid swing point. So this should be the market structure shift in the micros and the macro structure. Yeah, you should not get rid of this one. I don't want to trade this also. Let's wait, I think. Price might consolidate, guys. Yeah, price might consolidate here. Why? Because it's going down right now, and we're in a session at 11 a.m. or to 12 p.m. There will be a consolidation. So we're dumping right now. This is mitigated OB. This will not hold. This will be taken out too. The next liquidity available is at this point, and the next swing point available is this point. So you can expect that there will be a reaction right here. I don't want to trade in this area. I don't want to get below in this area, especially we don't have a clear structure in the daily for it to go long. Yeah. Carbohydrates. Did you eat, guys? Started streaming when I wake up. I mean, I just woke up, then go live stream again. Weekly bearish implied. Let's find bullish setups. Waves. No waves. Uni. The daily. Is this a bullish setup? It's still in the range. I wanna see this price go down here. And for hours, the next liquidity available is also oh oh bunch of relative lows right here. Bunch of relative lows. Let's see. This might hold. This level. Hold. What? Hi ka LBC. We will deliver your shipment today. Provide ID if not around. Photo may be taken as proof of delivery. What is this one? LBC Express. I don't remember ordering something. This might be a scam. I don't want to pay anything. I don't order for the past days. I don't order anything. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. We still don't have any position right now, right? Uh, what's up? Do you still need help for need my help for the payment you're asking for? Maybe a giveaway from LBank. I don't know, bro. Hoping this is a merch from LBank, then I can send it to you. I mean, those are is under my link, right? But I really don't know. This might be a scam, but it says LBC Express. I really don't know. I hope for the best. I hope for the best. Wait a minute, guys. Price still going down. Oh my god. Stay safe, bro. Have a safe trip to your work, brother. I'm still finding position. I cannot find position. Just waiting for this price to hold. I mean, yeah. I'm hoping, but the projection says it will go all the way down here. But I hope there will be a reaction right here in the MSS area. And let's see. I think this is a daily order block too. Yep. But no liquidity. Price can consolidate all the way right here and can manipulate this level and go up once again. But let's find out. You know, it's an end of the month. Most of the trades at end of the month is bearish. So I'm still hoping for the best at this point. But being hopeful is not good in the market. That's being certain also. And we're trading at uncertainty. That's why should make a decision in the end of the day. If I will go out on my position, I still hold this one. But yeah, no matter what I do, still on the challenge account. The $20 challenge account. Let's see. Finding setup still. CSCO. All-time high. There's a 1-day setup. Let's see it 1 hour. 1 hour. CISD already printed out. Then there is yup. There's a confirmed second CISD here. But it's not good. This trade is not good for me. No, I'm sorry. This is the swing point. Right? Yeah, this is the swing point. I thought in this area. So there's no CISD right now. Microstructure, this is the bigger picture. Price can go all the way down here. But CSCO, what is this coin? Wait, I really need to check this out. So this is still a crypto coin, right? Yeah. Ondo is a blockchain technology. Ondo? CSCO is Ondo. I thought there is a coin. Yeah, there's an Ondo coin. Let's find out first. But I don't want. Yeah, we can trade this one, guys. We do have the MSS, right? Oh no, we don't have the MSS. Price is not clear. But shorting this one. Wait a minute. Hoping we can short. No, I don't want to short this one. Yo, rug pull from point 0.8 to 0.04. That's a huge profit right there. But let's see if it's worth it. Why? Because shorting something doesn't mean you can have a huge pin. Yeah, because you cannot go 100% on shorting as always as compared to the long. See right there, if you long, you got a 1,801.47% movement, but shorting you only have 94.77%, because shorting a coin has a cap at less than 100%, because you cannot short a coin at its 100%. Why? Because if it reaches 100%, that coin will be unlisted in the chain. So if you have tight stop loss, then you profit as much. I mean, you have a bunch of profit, but still 1:2 trade. For example, this one, you might have huge what do you call this, percentage, but at the same time your risk to reward ratio is not that much, because it's 1.63, even though you have this kind of stop loss 4.53. Let's let's do this also, longing this one with the same stop loss. It's 20.67. You see the difference now, guys? Longing is much more favorable than shorting a coin, because yeah, the movement on having a long position is so high. I mean, you can get really good risk reward ratio, but in shorting, even though you have tight stop loss, still have 4.52 compared to 67 RR. That's so huge gap. Let's find another coin. Flux. Wait. Manta. No position on Manta yet. BSV. Yo. Sweep liquidity already. Where are we at? Are we still on the range? Yep, we are back in this range. On the way down here. So you can see 1 hour time frame. Right, it's used for hour. We can short this one out. Let's find the best trade that we can do. Think this will hold, or wait for the price to retrace us all the way here, then go short all the way down here. That's what I want to do. Go back to the range on a weekly. We have a confirmation on MSS area. Then we have this discount premium zone where we can short. So what I want to do is use this order block right here, unmitigated one, and go short. Let's hope for the best for BSB. We can put it in our waiting list. UAI. What does it look? In daily time frame, it's at a high. The weekly, still trending upwards. But yeah, I think this is a good opportunity to short this coin. Let's find out if this one has CISD. There you go. There's a CISD right now. What I want to see is price retraces all the way down here, up here. I mean, then have a second USD, so what we can short this coin all the way at the bottom. Yep. Second size deformation, I'm going short all the way down here. We'll look for this coin also. We'll list at our waiting list. Let's see more. Let's find more setup so that later at 12 noon I'm gonna stream once again and find a setup or check all the setup that we have, and at the same time I'm hoping that we can get a position. Okay, not yet. No position for me on this trade, still consolidating at this range. Yep, at this range. Idol. Hello, chill guy. Chill guy. Lots of memories on this coin. Haha. I can't say this will go up. This is a meme. Siren. My girlfriend. Ha. Oh no. Let's look at gold. What happened in gold? See? Let's find out. Gold can reach all the way down here. For real. For real, bro. Can reach all the way down here. 4,100. Or this will hold. Let's see. Because there's a bunch of liquidities to be taken out right here. This is my I'm still looking for this trade to hold. I mean the price hold at this point, at this level. GDC, GT. I mean, this I don't want to trade this kind of coin. It's really real shit coin. No, the barcode coin. You can see it's not tradable. GMX. Haha. Not good too. Yep, not good too. What more? Or seal. Yo. Call high. Rejected at this level. The weekly time frame. I think. Yo. It pumps. This is a trend line liquidity. Then it pumps. Taken out first before it pumped. I think this is not a clear MSS. My MSS for this trade is at this point, at this level. I mean, this is the macro structure. This is just a micro structure. I think shorting is better, but there's a relative highs right here, so maybe we can expect that price will move to there. Let's find out if there's a divergence right here. Still no position, guys. There's a divergence, but can we see a FBG? No, and what we can see is an equal lows and relative lows right here. This might not hold. Still wait for the confirmation, more confirmation on this coin. 4 EB daily price reaches this point. Made an equal low. Interesting. Waiting for this one to sweep out, to reset out. Let's mark this also in our waiting list. Sorry. Wait a minute, guys. I'll be back. Be right back. Just gonna AFK for a bit because I need to get something in the. I mean, down my house. Wait a minute, guys. Hey, I'm back. Hello, hello, hello. Yep. Sorry. Still a morning run. Yeah. Still hoping this trade will go up here. Mm-hmm. Do you know, guys, how to change valuation of uh, in MetaMask? I forget. Hmm. My stomach is aching, guys. I'm so sorry. I need to end the stream. Yeah, before I end the stream, I'm gonna show you one thing first. So basically, if you wanna join my community, everything that you wanna learn from me, you can go to my channel, and at the description you can click this one to join to my community, the Telegram group chat. So I'm gonna give update right there. At the same time, everything that you wanna need to, I mean, every questions you need, you want to ask me, I can accommodate you there. And at the same time, um, you know, register on my LBank account. You can find the link once again right in the description here. Wait, I can also put this in the registration link. I mean, in the description of my YouTube channel. But yeah, go to this link, then paste it. Then you will be able to register. Just click sign up. I'm so sorry. I'm still logged in. Wait a minute. I'm gonna log out my account first. Copy paste that one. Then you sign up. There you go. It's a 50% trading free rebate for lifetime. Basically, every position or every execution you made, 50% of the trading fee will be refunded to you and will be given to you to your account after the day you executed the trade at 10 a.m. If I'm not mistaken, 10 a.m. UTC plus 8. Okay, and yeah, I do have an ongoing competition right now. It starts with yesterday, but I officially announced it today for you guys to able to join the competition, and the link also can be found, I mean, in the Telegram group. And at the same time, use this link, guys, for you to join. But then again, you cannot join this competition if you're not under this referral code 5U NUI. So for me, register on 5U NUI code, then you will be able to participate in our trading arena, which has 1,000 prize pool to unlock, and the prize will be unlocked if the total trading volume reaches $4 million. Okay, so let's hope for the best and see you later. I'm gonna stream at 12 noon also. I think 12:30 the afternoon. I'm gonna stream once again. Then yeah, see you later, guys.